Olympiads were 1500 times more likely to be billionaires. This post is by Didi Das. He's a partner at Menlo Ventures and he's also investing in AI startups. He has a lot of followers. Where do the smartest kids in the world do when they grow up? And by the smartest kids, he's talking about the Olympiads students. There are 20 of them were founders of 20 unicorns. Unicorns means 1 billion plus companies, dollars. Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. The top students who ultimately pursue careers after Olympiads, where do they get at? This is one of the questions which has been asked to me by a lot of students and the parents also. I found a LinkedIn post which is going to answer that. This post is by Didi Das. He's a partner at Menlo Ventures and he's also investing in AI startups. He has a lot of followers. So उन्होंने अभी कल एक पोस्ट किया है. Where do the smartest kids in the world do when they grow up? And by the smartest kids is talking about the Olympiads students, the ones who represent their countries in 3 different Olympiads, that is IMO, IOI and IPHO. So यही 3 Olympiads है जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा interest होता है पूरे world का. So smartest kids in the world do when they grow up. I did the largest study of 18,000 international Olympiad medalists, IMO, IOI and IPHO over the last 25 years. And arguably, they're the sharpest analytical minds of the world in high school to see where they end up and trace 50% of them. So he was able to trace close to 9,000 students. And what he found was really interesting. He found that there are 20 of them were founders of 20 unicorns. Unicorns means 1 billion plus companies, dollars. 7 decacorns and 10 billionaires. OpenAI, Cursor, Stripe, Databricks, Perplexity, Ethereum, Cognition, Hyperliquid Fireworks, Modal, Quora, Parallel, Cartesia and Whisper, ये सब founders यहाँ के हैं, right? So Olympians हैं. Most kids went to MIT, 12% of them, followed by Cambridge, 7% of them, and then Sheriff, which is 3%. The career path that they choose of those who graduated were 36% academia, that is professors, 26% others, 22% in software tech, 12% in quant and finance, 5% were founders. The biggest employer of these students was Google, 6%. Other interesting things was 47 of them work at Jane Street. So this is one of the companies which pay the highest pay package. 38 work at OpenAI. At this point of time, it is one of the most important, interesting things who's developing AI. 15 at Anthropic, 5 at Cognition, and 6 at Isomorphic Labs. Olympiads were 1500 times more likely to be billionaires and 4,000 times more likely to be unicorn founders than the average person. This is the huge insight. Although हम बोल सकते हैं कि data set जो है छोटा है 9,000 बच्चों के ऊपर है, but again this is something which is very interesting. And again then he used some methodology and यहाँ पर पूरा data भी दिखाया गया. Most likely he is going to do a detailed post on this. If he does, I'll come up with the video again. But again, one thing which is very important after looking at this is the main thing is not whether you are able to represent your country. It is more about whether you have developed your problem solving skills. So because ultimately the ones who are able to represent their countries at the top level are the ones who have the best problem solving skills. So agar wo develop kar rahe ho, so of course the route is the same. So keep developing your problem solving skills. Take care. God bless you.